This mostly works if you convert 0 into binary. 0 is displayed on the page. Let us try. Okay. But now when you convert other numbers greater than 0, your binary number starts with a leading 0. If you convert 1, the result will be 0, 1. Okay. But if you think about it, 0 and 1 in base 10 always convert to 0 and 1 in base 2 respectively. Excuse me. So you can add another base case to the handle when input is 1. Says here that we add an uh, as if there should be, oops, so if it's an else if, it should be here, right? So as if, am I right? Hmm, let's try to search as if in JavaScript. I forgot the syntax. Oh yes, I'm I'm right. So if it's an else if, you should right here. What happened back there? Okay, the condition would be input is equal to 1. If it is, it should return string 1. What happened? For your condition of your else if statement, you should check if input is equal to 1. We should use a strict operator.